Tesla is one of the most recognized names in innovation today. But here's the twist. They didn't invent a new way to transport people or things from one place to another. Cars already existed. So where did Tesla innovate? In this video, we'll explore how Tesla revolutionized a related job to transportation, using concepts from zero-pivot problem solving, a framework grounded in jobs to be done theory. By focusing on jobs adjacent to transportation, Tesla didn't just create a car. They redefined what we expect from personal mobility. Let's start with the primary job of a car, transportation. Tesla didn't innovate here. Instead, they focused on related jobs that improve the transportation experience. These include jobs like minimizing operating costs, like fuel and maintenance, reducing environmental impact, enhancing the driving experience through seamless technology. Tesla's electric powertrain wasn't about reinventing the wheel. It was about solving adjacent customer problems better than internal combustion engines could. Tesla's first major innovation was its electric powertrain. Unlike internal combustion engines, which rely on hundreds of moving parts, electric motors are simpler, more efficient, and require far less maintenance. This simplicity helped Tesla address the minimizing maintenance job more effectively than traditional car manufacturers. But Tesla didn't invent the electric powertrain. Electric vehicles have existed for over a century. Where Tesla stood out was its ability to make electric propulsion viable for mass-market vehicles by solving related jobs that previous EVs ignored, such as range anxiety and performance concerns. Tesla's true innovation wasn't the electric motor, it was the battery. Traditional EVs relied on small, inefficient battery packs that couldn't meet the demands of long-range travel. Tesla rethought battery design, using thousands of small, cylindrical lithium-ion cells to create a modular, scalable solution. By integrating the battery pack into the chassis and leveraging economies of scale through their gigafactories, Tesla addressed two customer problems. One, extending the range to reduce range anxiety, which basically is a functional job resolving an emotional job, and lowering battery costs to make EVs competitive with gas-powered cars. However, batteries aren't without limitations. They degrade over time, rely on finite resources like lithium, and have environmental consequences during production. Some argue that hydrogen fuel cells could eventually replace batteries as a more efficient and sustainable energy source. Hydrogen-powered vehicles use a chemical reaction to generate electricity, producing only water vapor as a byproduct. Sounds perfect, right? Hydrogen offers several advantages over batteries. Faster refueling times, greater energy density, meaning potentially longer ranges, and compatibility with existing fuel station infrastructure. But there are significant hurdles. Producing hydrogen is energy intensive, especially when sourced from non-renewable methods like natural gas. The infrastructure for hydrogen refueling is virtually non-existent in many regions, and hydrogen fuel cells are currently more expensive than batteries. While hydrogen remains promising, Tesla's decision to focus on lithium-ion batteries allowed them to address immediate customer problems and scale quickly, something that hydrogen fuel cell technology hasn't yet achieved. Tesla's other major innovation was in software. By integrating software into every aspect of the vehicle, Tesla solved a range of related jobs, including reducing effort in vehicle maintenance through over-the-air updates, improving driver safety with features like autopilot, and optimizing energy use to extend range. This emphasis on software shifted Tesla from being just a car manufacturer to being a technology company. The seamless integration of hardware and software created a superior driving experience, fulfilling related jobs in ways traditional automakers couldn't. Tesla didn't succeed by reinventing transportation. They succeeded by innovating around it. They focused on related jobs that made the transportation experience more efficient, sustainable, and enjoyable. Key takeaways from their strategy include 1. Solve customer problems adjacent to the core. 2. Leverage existing technologies in innovative ways. And 3. Think beyond hardware. Integrate software to address unmet needs. Other companies can learn from Tesla by mapping out related jobs their customers are trying to get done and finding opportunities for innovation. Tesla isn't just a story about cars, it's about understanding customer jobs and innovating where it matters most. If you want to dive deeper into how zero pivot problem solving can help your business tackle the right problems, subscribe and leave a comment below.